the end of the world before you had the time to make your stand. I know your fortunes had you believe it's better not to make it plain.